Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: OEM unlock and USB debugging on. Install Flashify on the device and ADB platform tools on your PC so commands work. Once done, connect the phone, install proper drivers, and use a DB reboot bootloader to reach fast boot if needed. You should create a full Nandroid or at minimum export current recovery and boot images. This prevents accidental bricking. Make sure the backup verified before flashing anything. Now you prepare the images and zips. Verify file integrity with checksums to avoid corrupt flashes. You open Flashify, grant storage access, and choose flash recovery or install zips depending on your target. If flashing a recovery image, pick the IMG and confirm. If installing a zip, choose the package and toggle reboot after flash is needed. Because Flashify uses the recovery partition, you don't need root. It uses fast boot or recovery injection methods to write images safely. To finish, reboot into the new recovery immediately to verify the flash succeeded. Navigate menus and test functions. If the device does not boot normally, stay calm. Use fastboot to flash your backed up boot or recovery image and restore stock partitions. Make sure you keep original images and ADB/fastboot accessible on your PC. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails repeatedly, re-download files and recheck checksums. Corrupted packages cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.